Hello everyone, welcome to my online class video in Hindi and English of Math subject and Standard 4. Here you can see the new chapter from term 1, chapter number 4, money. First we will learn the operation of money. Here our topic is operation of money, addition and subtraction of money. The dot or the point in amount separates rupees from paisa. While adding and subtracting money, remember to place the digit according to their place value, then add or subtract the usual way. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, मैं आपको समझाने जा रही हूँ how we solve this money in the addition and subtraction. Look at the items that Shubha has bought. What are their price? How much is the total amount? If she gave the shopkeeper rupees 300, how much did she bag? So the price of the bag is 150.75 and the teddy bear is 75.50 rupees. Next, write down the cost of the bag. The cost of the bag is this 150.75. Next, write down the cost of teddy bear 75.50. So you just add, then you will get your total cost. This is the total cost of the shopping of Shobha. Next, find out the amount paid by Shobha and the total cost of the items. That means this is the total cost of the items of Shobha. Items paid by Shobha is 300.00 and total cost of the items is 226.25. So here we subtract, then we will get the balance amount. The shopkeeper returned 73. ₹3.75. Okay. Next, from exercise 4.1, I'm going to explain the all word problem in detail. Okay. So here there are the solving of exercise 4.1. Mr. John went to a furniture shop and bought a sofa set for rupees 12,190 and the dining table for rupees 8,160. Find the total amount he spent. Here we are going to add. Mr. John bought a sofa rupees 12.90. Okay, write in a sentence. Mr. John bought a dining table 8,000.60. Next, here we are add and put the decimal point. Then you will get the total amount 20,001.50. Write down in answer in a sentence rupees 20,001.50 total amount he spent. Next, question number 3. Mr. Sachin earns rupees 40,000 per month. His monthly expenditure is rupees 34,937 and he saved the rest. How much is his saving? Here we are going to find out his savings amount of Sachin. Then write in a sentence, Mr. Sachin per month earning 40,000 rupees and his monthly expenditures, that means expenses, is 34,937. His savings equal to how much? So here we subtract both the number, then we will get the savings of Sachin. Then write in a sentence, 5,063 rupees is his savings in every month of Sachin. Next, exercise 4.2. Here in this exercise word problem, we are going to use the multiplication method. So first question is, a packet of crayon costs rupees 15. Find the cost of 40 such packets. So here the packets of crayon cost rupees 15. Then 40, what is the cost of the 40 such packets? So we find this one in these questions. Okay, so write in a sentence, the cost of one packet crayon equals to rupees 15 and what is the cost of 50 packets equals to how much. Then here we multiply the 15 with 40, then we will get 600. So 600 is the cost of 40 packets. Write the sentence after the product and your product is 600. Then write in a sentence, rupees 600 is the cost of 40 such packets. Next, exercise 4.3. In this exercise, we use the division method in the form of word problem. So in the whole exercise, we use only division method. So let's start question number 1. The cost of 40 pencil boxes is rupees 840. This is the cost of 40 pencil boxes, 840. Find the cost of each pencil box. So here we are going to find out the one pencil box cost. The cost of one pencil box. Okay, so write in a sentence in the answer, if the cost of 40 pencil boxes is rupees 840, then what is the cost of each pencil box? So write question mark. Here we are going to divide 40 with 840. If you don't know the table of 40, then write in the side, do one rough work and write the table of 40. 41s are 42s are 43s are like this. And now we divide 42s are 80. Here first digit number we are not going to divide, so here we take 84, two digit number. So write 42s are 80. 80 is less than 84, then write 42s are 80. Then here we subtract, then we will get 4, then 0 as it is you can write, then 40. Here we find out the 40. So divide 40, 41s are 40. Okay, so your remainder 0, 0 and quantity 21. So this is the cost of each pencil box. So write in a sentence, rupees 21 is the cost of each pencil box. Like this you can divide the all word problem. Starting exercise 4.4, we will start how to draw a bill and what is the meaning of bill. So here you can see all the introduction, the definition of bill, and this is the table of bill, how we create a bill when you go to the shopkeeper. Okay, so let's start the topic bill. When you purchase things at a shop, you will be given a paper slip called a bill. A bill gives the list of the things bought at a shop with the unit cost and the quantity and the total amount calculated. Ruth shopped at a stationery shop. She paid rupees 500 at the shopkeeper. The following bill was given to her at the counter. So here we make the table of bill. First in the column serial number is given, second column items, third column rate, in the bracket rupees per unit, fourth column write quantity, and in the fifth column always write amount in rupees. So first column write all the serial number 1 2 3, how many products the Ruth shop and the stationery shop. Okay, notebook, folder, eraser, geometry box. The rate of the notebook is 20, folder is 50, eraser 5 and geometry box is 30. How many quantity the Ruth shopped in the stationery shop. Okay, so 20 rupees notebook by 2 notebook shop by Ruth, and folder purchase 4 folder he take, and eraser only 1, and the geometry box is only 1. So these are the quantity of the product. So here we multiply both the number, then we will get the total. 20 into 40, 50 into 4, 200, and 5 into 1, 5, and 30 into 1, 30. So here we add all the amount which is shopped at the stationery shop. This is the total amount of the shopping. So the customer paid this total amount to the shopkeeper. So write in a sentence, answer rupees 225.0 was returned to Ruth. Next we will start the solving exercise 4.4 word problem. Okay, and how to create a bill by solving this all the word problem. First question is, Sana bought an ice cream for rupees 108.25, veg roll rupees 65, and milkshake rupees 60.50. These are the items which Sana bought at a restaurant. Okay, how much money did she spend in all? Here we find out the all total of the amount, all the total of the items. So very first we make the table like this for making a bill. On the first column write serial number, second column write items, third quantity, fourth rate rupees per unit, and last write amount. Next write the serial number, how many items is there, 1 2 3. So write 1 2 3. Next write the name of the items, ice cream, veg roll, milkshake. How many quantity? Here quantity is not mentioned in this question, so we assume 1 1 1 each quantity. Okay, then write the rate of the particular items. The rate of the ice cream is 108.45, veg roll 65, and milkshake 60.50. Here we write the total amount of the items. We multiply both the number, then we'll get the total amount of each items. Again we multiply then this is a total. Again multiply the both number, quantity and rate, then this is a total. Then here we add all the amount of these items, so this is the total of the sana. Then write in a sentence rupees 233.95 money she spent in all. Next, question number 5. Observe the following bill and answer the following question. In this question, the bill is already prepared. Here we find out all the questions, all the given questions. Here we give the answer of all these questions. The bill is already prepared. So all these things already written in advance, but this place is empty. So here we find out the amount of the Mysore Pak and the rate of the laddu. Here you can see the serial number, item of the sweets, and the quantity and rate and the amount. The dash column is empty and all the question is as it is given in this question. ठीक है. Kaju Katri 1.5 kg, 1200, Pitha 1 kg, Mysore 2 kg, laddu and 3 kg. So here we find out the blank items. So first we solve the question. Calculate the amount paid for 2 kg of Mysore Pak. So here we find out the amount of the 2 kg Mysore Pak, total amount 2 kg into this number. This is the amount of the Mysore Pak. Okay, so we multiply this number, then we will get 1113.8. so this is the total amount of the Mysore Pak. Next question, find out the cost of 1 kg of laddu. Okay, the cost of 3 kg laddu is rupees 1326.36. Then what is the cost of 1 kg? Here we find out the 1 kg and we already have the cost of 3 kg laddu. So here we divide. Here you can see how we divide this number. 3 4s are 12, then you will get 1. Then take the 2 in the downward column. Then 3 4s are 12 again. Then they both subtract. Then you will get 0. Then take 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay, so point is there. So draw one point. Then next number is 3. Take 3 in the downward column. Then 3 1s are 3. Next take 6. Then 3 2s are 6. So this is the cost of 1 kg laddu. So write in a sentence rupees 442.12 is the cost of 1 kg laddu, and write this amount in this blank column. Okay, in the table. Next, C question. What is the total amount paid by the customer? How many amount paid by the customer? The cost of it. So first cost is 600.00 plus 600.50 plus 1713.8 plus 1326.36. So total amount of the total amount is paid by the customer is 4240.66. Total amount paid by the